Struggling to add appointments to your Hostinger store? Watch this to set up booking in minutes and start selling services. If you run a service-based business, you know the pain. Someone lands on your website, they see your products, but there is no way for them to actually book a consultation, a class, or an appointment with you. That is money walking out the door. But here is the good news. Hostinger has a built-in appointments feature that solves this completely. And I am going to show you exactly how to turn it on and get it working. First, we will enable the appointments feature. Then, we will configure your availability, create different appointment types, and set your pricing. By the end of this, your customers will be booking time with you directly on your site. So, let us start. Open up your Hostinger website builder and go to your project. We are going to click on the Store section in the left-hand menu. Once you are in there, look for the calendar month icon. It is right there in the sub-menu. Go ahead and click on that. Now you will see a big screen telling you about the appointments feature. We need to click the button that says Enable Appointments. It will take you to a setup page. And then you will see another Enable Appointments button. Click that one too. This is where you actually activate the feature for your store. Alright, now the real setup begins. You will be asked to set your schedule. This is where you tell the system when you are actually available to take appointments. Click on that option. It will probably take you to a weekly calendar. Block out the days and times you work. This is your foundation, so get it right. Once your schedule is saved, we need to look at the back end. Click on the List of Appointments tab at the top. From there, click on Availability. This shows you what you just set. Then click on Settings, and then click on Overview. You can also check the Past tab to see any old appointments if you had any. For now, we are just getting our bearings. Now for the main event. Click the button that says Create Appointment. This is where we build your actual service. First, click on Appointment Details. Give your appointment a name. If you offer a consultation, call it that. If you offer a haircut, call it that. Be clear. Next, you can click on Images. This is optional, but I highly recommend adding a photo of the service or your workspace. It builds trust. After that, click on Duration and Location. How long does this service take? Is it virtual or at a physical address? Fill that in. Then we get to the good part. Click on Pricing. Set your price here. You can make it a flat fee or leave it free if you want. Now scroll down a bit more. You will see an option for buffers and notice time. This is optional but really useful. A buffer gives you time to clean up between appointments. Notice time prevents someone from booking 5 minutes from now. Set these however you like. Below that, you will see a section that says if custom availability is off, appointments use the time set in your main schedule. This is just explaining that unless you override it, this service follows your general hours. Then click on Time Slot Display. You can choose how customers see your available times, like in a list or a grid. Pick what looks best. And finally, there is an Advanced Elements section. This is optional, but you can add custom fields or questions for your customers here. If you ever want to back out of a setting without saving, just click Cancel. But if everything looks good, save your appointment. And that is it, seriously. You now have a fully functional appointment system on your Hostinger store. Customers can see your services, pick a time, and book directly. You have gone from having nothing to having a complete booking engine. Go ahead and test it out on your own site to make sure everything flows smoothly.